Welcome back to Code Arena. Today, we'll design a landing page for a renting homes website in Figma. Go to figma.com. Click on the Drafts button and then select New Design File. Title your design as Renting Homes. Here's the landing page that we will design today. Set up the frame. Click on the Frames button to create a desktop frame. Increase the width to 1980px and height to 4748px. Create the logo. Use the text tool to write Rent Homes in all caps. Set the font to Poppins, bold for Rent, regular for Homes, with a size of 41. Design a small triangle and rectangle with strokes, fills, and drop shadows. Design the navbar. Add text items, Home, About Us, Services, Reviews, and Contact Us. Use Roboto as the font, bold, size 24. Add a simple line below the navbar using the Shape tool. Now, we'll create the grid. Click on the Layout grid and go to Columns and set these details for perfection. Main heading. Create the main heading. Your renting journey begins here. Size 110 and color hash 085C11, 90% opacity. Use the question mark font with no weight. Almost done. Perfect. Add a subheading. Use Poppins, regular weight, size 24, color hash 141E15, 100% opacity. Buttons. Create a rectangle for the button, 216 pixels wide and 77 pixels high. For the button text, use outfit font, regular weight, size 28, and white color saying Rent Now. Duplicate the button, remove the fill, and add a stroke. Image section. Import an image from freepik.com. About section. Duplicate the elements from the previous section to create the About section. Our Services section. For the services, first add the heading by duplicating it, and then add the subheading with these details. Now, let's see how we made this card. Create one card with the following dimensions, 478 pixels wide and 442 pixels high. Use color hash OD4512 with 90% opacity and add a drop shadow. Use the Iconify plugin to add icons. Search for a tick mark. Almost done. Perfect. Now, let's make more cards. Done. Testimonials section. It's very easy. Duplicate headings and change the heading. Add the subheading. Now let's see how we made the rectangles and cards. Create 3 testimonial boxes. Each box should be a rectangle, 478 pixels wide, 442 pixels high, with a stroke. For corner radius, set independent corners, 30, 30 for the top and 734, 134 for the bottom. Add circular images, insert image, for each testimonial. Footer section. Includes logo, social media icons, text and other relevant information. Thanks for watching.